In the dark corner, you will get the inward beating. Hours. As sparks are so high, you'll prick yourself and end up crying. Felt very nauseous and had it.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is a Friday. I have somewhere to be, so I don't even know if I have time to vlog. I have somewhere to be and I need to look at least human. I did talk about these products on Instagram. They're the ordinary skincare products and I've been loving them. It's so thick but it's so moisturizing. Anyway, I'm gonna share with you guys my quick routine of like how I do my 3-minute makeup. It's kind of like my no makeup type of routine. SPF. It's one of the things that I've incorporated into my routine and I've my pigmentation so much. This one is the brand from Healthy You, Alba Botanica. It's just like a healthier version. It's like all natural. It has no bunch of stuff, no gluten, artificial colors, synthetic fragrances, paraben, harmful sulfates, and a bunch of other words that I can't pronounce. I take my concealer. This is the Colourpop one that I talk about all the time. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while, and that's because I'm just trying to fix a few things. I haven't been satisfied with the quality of my videos, my makeup videos especially, so we're trying to fix that and like get on that. But other than that, so I'm trying to make up for that with just a lot of vlogs. Now that we've done that, I usually set it with the powder, but I set it with the sponge. I just dab the sponge in there and then I go over it. Then for like the rest of my face, I don't even go overboard with my foundation. And then this over it just to brighten it up. Like everything is literally packed and in boxes. Like this that's behind me, it's like a wall hanger and we have to take it down. Not like bronzer and blusher is like key to this tutorial because that's what makes your skin look luminous. So let me know if you guys would like to see how I like remake my room. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you guys wouldn't want to see that. I have a new friend who's featuring on my channel today. We're literally done. I almost forgot mascara. And we are done. I don't usually go over with highlight because I feel like it's too much when I'm trying to look minimal. Gloss isn't intimidating, see, in front of people. I'm back home now. It's like a couple hours later. I'm just busy here like dealing with a little bit of editing. Like I said earlier, I haven't filmed like a makeup look in a while because I don't know, I just haven't been feeling it, been giving my skin a little break, and also the fact that I'm planning on renovating my room, so it's just I haven't had like a conducive place to film. Anyway, I want to talk about Ramadan since Ramadan is coming up. Have you guys like paid? I'm talking to my Muslim sisters, by the way. Have you guys like paid off your debts? Basically, if you're not Muslim and you watch my videos, I bet you all know what Ramadan is. Like, there's no point of me explaining. It's the month we fast for like 30 days. Anyway, we have to like repay those few days that you didn't get to fast within the month. So I'm just reminding you, get them out of the way because Ramadan is in the next, I feel like 30-something days or 20-something, if not 30-something days. Anyway, it's coming soon, so get on it. I'm supposed to accompany my friend for a shoot, so I don't know if I'm going there. I'm also supposed to go get paint for my room, but that would be like in another vlog, completely different vlog, so I don't think I'd show you when I go. It's kind of cold. Oh yeah, I got like really cute earrings. Let me show you the latest addition to my family. Now you guys know like earrings are my thing. I love a good pair of earrings, so let me show you the new 3 pairs that I got. They're quite affordable as well, so let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the first pair. It's just a really lovely circle earring. I've never owned this style of earring. I don't know, it's just different. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, and then it has like the stopper has like this long thing attached, so it's like you can see it fall like behind the earring. I don't know, it's really cute. I love this pair. The next pair is just like a gold pair, and they look like buttons. Do you know like the tufted seats, those buttons on them? This is what they look like. I actually really like these. Now the last pair like tassel, but they're like a different style. It's like a tassel, but it's like really different. You know the tassels for like this ones you wear them like this. That makes sense. So this is what the third pair looks like. I really like these. They're like white. I don't own any white like tassel earrings, and the fact that it has this gold detail, I don't know, it just complements the off-white really well. This looks really good. So yeah, I've been into earrings lately, so I can't wait to play around with these. I took a little nap. Like my brow, this one's kind of gone this side. And my mascara is a bit like runny. I don't know if you can tell, like it made my eye black quick, like 2 hours now. A little more hours than I should have. It's a few hours later. It's a lot of stuff has happened. I now have makeup on, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit of like my skincare routine, since a lot of you have been asking. Did you see how rude this guy in here for 2 days? A few days now, it's refusing to go away. But get some oil, whatever oil you can get, coconut oil, olive oil. To be honest, I use whatever oil I can find. So here we have some virgin olive oil. Let me get tissue. And we're back. Depends, to be honest. Sometimes I use wipes, sometimes I use oil, but I feel like the oil is so effective because it breaks down every single particle of makeup. So I just warm up the oil in my hand and then go just to make sure everything is out. I usually like to go in with a second cleanse with the oil. So the massaging also like brings blood back to your face, so it's like good circulation on your face. So just take time, massage. Okay, so step 1 is done. Step 2 is actually cleansing. Just use whatever cleanser you use. I either use like this black soap I have. My friend Hiba just gave me like a little bit of black soap, so I just put it like in the container of my face brush. So I just, very effective. So I'm just gonna use this now. I want it to end, but other times I use like the tea tree oil by Body Shop. I just steamed my face with like a hot towel to open up my pores for the mask. Now this mask stinks. Like if you've used ACV before, you know the shit stinks, but it works magic. It works like magic, to be honest, and it tightens your skin as well, so it's a plus. I don't mind the smell. Okay, now that the mask is off, my skin is feeling fresh and nice. I have a little scarring here, but we're going to tone my face. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Toning Solution. A hack on how to save your like cotton rounds: just split them in half and use the half each day. The bit I do is I use vitamin C just to brighten up. Again, it's like from the Ordinary. The packaging is like gold, to be honest. Let me know if you guys want to do like an in-depth review of these products, because I absolutely love them. A little does go a long way. I use like half a drop on each side of my face, so this part uses like a drop and here half, so I in total use like 1.5 drops of the vitamin C, and then just tap. Apparently if you like slap your face, kidogo, the product sinks in. I don't know, I just shit that somewhere. So I let that sit for like about 15 minutes, then I apply like a moisturizer on top, like a face oil, any oil feel like applying, I will. What I do at this point is I just take like omega-3 tablets, just apply some lip balm, some moisturizer, and that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so today's Monday. I know I said I'll be back tomorrow, but it's currently 5:27. I'm just back from school. I just received a care package from this jewelry store called 2 Lakhs. Let me show you. I've already opened, sorry, but so cute. She got me a bunch of jewelry, and it comes in this cute little like sack bag. It's so adorable. I'm obsessed. It just says her Instagram handle. And then the exciting part is just like a bunch of jewelry. So the first thing in here is like a pair of like gold hoops, smaller and thicker than my usual one, so this is a great addition. So that's the first one. Second one is, she's so nice. First of all, I only thought I was receiving one product. She added a few more goodies, which I'm so grateful for. So the next thing is just a pair of like tassel earrings. Let me get them out of the package. Look at how cute these are. I can't wait to wear these. So adorable. And then the next pair is just like simple tassel earrings. I feel like these are more casual, they appropriate, very simple. That's what they look like. How cute are these? I love these. It's so simple, and I don't own a black pair, so this is nice. Thank you very much. Final piece is a necklace. There we go. And then this is the third piece. It's just like a lead necklace. It comes with a straight bar thing, and then a circle, and then a long chain. I honestly can't wait to wear this. Like, what I'm excited about most. Is so cool. Like, I've never owned one of these lead necklaces, so thank you very much. I leave her Instagram down below, so you guys can definitely check her out. She has amazing, unique pieces at such an affordable price. I think I'm just gonna wrap it up right now. Bye guys.